Look here, Nana, all of you. Here, this is the staircase, Nana. According to question, this is the staircase. Steps, Nana. Here, one ball is there, top of the staircase. It is thrown horizontally with initial velocity u. It, because of Earth's gravity, finally fall on the nth step. Here, each step width is W. Each step height is H. Okay? Each step width is W. Each step height is H. Okay? This is the question. Find what is the value of nth step. Find the value of n. Find the value of n. Okay? Look here now. In the situation, same situation, this is the tower now here. Here body thrown on from the top of the tower. Finally, it reaches the ground. Look here, same situation in the diagram. Here, one step height h. అలాంటివి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి n. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2 స్టెప్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకో 2h, 3 స్టెప్స్ ఉంటే 3h, n స్టెప్స్ ఉంటే nh. లుక్ హియర్, ఒక స్టెప్ విడ్త్ w, 2 స్టెప్స్ 2w, n స్టెప్స్ nw. ఓకే ఓకేనా? లుక్ హియర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ horizontal distance is called range. In the situation, range is given. What is the formula for range? U into under root 2h by g. Here, what is the horizontal distance? Nw. U is u under root 2. What is the height of the tower? Nh whole by g. Squaring on both sides, Nana. Here, n square w square equal to u square 2nh by g. Here 1n cancel. Here numerator other side denominator. Totally n value is 2 u square h by g w square. This is the formula for number of steps. What is the formula for number of steps? 2u square h by gw square. In the formula, capital H indicate each step height, W indicate each step width, U indicate initial velocity of the ball. Page number 212. To see the all questions, Nana, I discuss important models. Problem number 90. Okay? In the problem number 90, first read the question. A body projected horizontally from a height. The question is, this is the tower. What is the tower height? 78.4 meters. Here body thrown initial velocity 10. This body reaches the ground. Okay, reaches the ground. Its velocity after 3 seconds అన్నది. అంటే here ఇక్కడెక్కడో ఉంది నన్ను. Tangent gives the direction of velocity. This is ux, vx, this is vy. Here write v bar అన్నది. What is the v bar formula? We know that vx along positive x-axis I cap. This is vy, vy along negative y-axis vy j cap. Okay, we know that vx value. What is the formula in the topic? U. Vy formula. What is the formula? Gt. Here, what is the velocity? U. 10. G value in the given bracket 10. Time is 3 seconds. Here write. Here 10. Here 30. Here substitute to get the answer. Okay. Next problem. In the above problem, angle made by body. Okay. Here the question is angle made by velocity vector with axis after 4 seconds. Here t value is given 4 seconds. Tangent gives direction of velocity. This velocity made by angle can be calculated. Directly I give previous video. What is the formula for tan alpha? Vy by Vx. What is the Vy formula? Gt. Vx formula U. Here G value is 10. Time is given here 4. U value is given 10. What is the tan alpha value? 4. Find the alpha. Ahi Krishna. Alpha is tan inverse 4. Okay? Look here. Thrown horizontally from top of tower. It reaches the ground after 4 seconds at an angle 45 degrees to the ground. Find the velocity of the projection. Simply look here. This is the tower nana. Here body thrown horizontally. Here reaches the ground. Okay, reaches the ground. Here tangent drawn gives the velocity. It makes an angle with the x-axis is 45. Okay. Here we know that what is the tan alpha formula. We previous problem also I discussed. Vy by Vx. What is the Vy formula? Gt. Vx formula U. This U can be calculated. Here alpha is 45, tan 45 1. What is the U value? Gt. Here G value is given on the earth 9.8. Time is given 4 seconds. 9.8 into 4, 10 into 4, 40. 39.2. That is the final answer. Okay. Next one, look here. Here two cliffs are there. Cliff means towers. Okay, hill. This is the first hill. This is the second hill now. Look here. First hill, the point is A. Here one vehicle is there. This vehicle horizontally projected and reaches the just second hill B. Okay, this is the question. Now this look like a horizontal projectile. You see here, horizontal projectile. The difference is first tower height is given. First tower height is given 120 meter. Second tower height is given 100.4. Now here to here difference is 120 minus 100.4. Right as 19.6. This is the question. Here, look here. This is small h. So here small h. Here in the question to find horizontal velocity, this distance between two towers is called range. What is the value of range is given? 16 meters. Keyword in the problem, range is given. Simply range formula is U under root 2h by g. R is given, h is given, g value we know that 9.8. Substitute, finally we get U value 99. In the keyword in the problem, U value is given 9.8. Initial velocity is given 9.8. Keyword in the another keyword is Vy. Simply vertical velocity is twice that of the horizontal velocity. Here we know that after t seconds together, Vy formula after t seconds gt, Vx formula u, g value 9.8. Here time will be calculated. U value 9.8, 9.8 cancel. Finally t value equal to 2. Okay. Next now. Model. This is the last problem today. Okay. Here, look here. This is the tower nana. What is the tower height nana? Tower height is 19.6 meters. Okay. Is here nana. This is the ground nana. Ground. Okay. Here in the question number 98. Here body is thrown horizontally. Body thrown horizontally. Okay. Initial velocity will be calculated. It will be reaches the ground. The question is line joining point of projection to reaching the ground. This line makes an angle 45 degrees with ground. Again I say the question. Line joining point of projection to reaching the ground. This line makes an angle 45 degrees with horizontal. Okay. The question number 98. Here to find the initial velocity. This is the question. This horizontal distance near under range. According to this situation, 45 this side opposite, this side adjacent. What is the tan 45? Tan 45 equal to opposite side by adjacent side. In the mathematics, tan 45 value 1. Simply h equal to r. What is the formula for range? U into under root 2h by g. Squaring on both sides, simply h square equal to u square into 2h by g. H cancel. Simply u square equal to gh by 2. G value 9.8, h value 19.6 by 2. Here finally we get 9.8 into 9.8. This is the u square. What is the value of u? 9.8. This is the final solution of the problem.